हेलो नमस्कार। खुश रहो बच्चों। आई एम जेवीएन डॉक्टर शाहनवाज आलम, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर ऑफ ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर। टुडे वी डिस्कस अबाउट most important concept of managerial economics or business economics or microeconomics or general economics. Like any other science, economics adopt two important methods in its investigations and formulation of law and principles. The two methods are deductive methods and inductive methods. Let us discuss the importance of two methods. Deductive methods is known as analytical abstract a priori methods. Here we start with certain formal data and assumptions, then by the logical reasoning we arrive at certain conclusions. We start with undisputed fundamental facts and affect adding some assumptions we build up a theory. For instance, it is assumed that businessmen aim to maximize profit. It allows from this that business buy the material in the cheapest market and sell it in that dearest market. In deductive methods of economic analysis, we proceed from the general to the particular. This is also known as an hypothetical method from some of the assumptions may not be correspond to actual facts, but very near actual facts which may be used as premise for starting reasoning and drawing conclusions. In economics, we start with very simple premises and work up gradually or more and more complex hypotheses. A complete from or deductive method consists of three stages. First, observation. Second, deductive reasoning. And third, instance and testing by means of further observations. Deductive reasoning provides us with hypotheses or generalizations if the hypotheses are tested and verified with relevance to the facts. We have valid economic laws. Advantage of deductive methods of economic analysis are: deductive method is very simple. Deductive method obviate the necessity of experimentation. The deductive methods results is accuracy and exactness. Disadvantage of deductive methods. Deductive method based on mainly on assumptions. In deductions, there is too much or observations and economics by means of their intellectual exercise produce only intellectual toy having title connection with reality. Deductive generalization starting on wrong premises will be dangerous when such generalization claim universal validity. Inductive method of economic analysis. In this method, economic proceed from particular angle to problem of science to reduce the gulf between theory and practices. Induction is done by two forms, via experimentation and statistical forms. Facts are collected first, arranged, and conclude are drawn. Then these are general conclusions are further verified with references to actual facts. The inductive method is generally associated with statistical form or inductions. The statistical approach has a larger field in the economic investigations. Then the method of experiment. Further, the method of statistical induction is in, indispensable for the formation of economic policy. Malthus presented his famous theory of population only after the studying fact of population in various countries. He then used the statistics to support his theory. Similarly, Engels, the German statistician, employed inductive method and used statistics to formulate his law of consumption. Advantage of inductive methods of economic analysis. Inductive method has following merits. First, it is highly practical and realistic as it describes things as they are. Second, it is helpful in verifying the conclusion of the deductive methods. Third, economic laws under this method are too universal but valid only under certain conditions. Disadvantage of inductive methods of economic analysis. Inductive method has following limitations. When the investigator lack a balanced judgment, there is risk of horrid conclusions based on inadequate and irrelevant fact of data. Collection of fact in the inductive process is highly complex and complicated job warranting extraordinary understanding to alienate economic forms from non-economic factors. Simple induction alone will not deliver goods unless it is supplemented by means of deducting reasoning. Without deduction, the inductive method will result in producing only a mass of underrelated, uncorrelated facts. Thank you.